give us one super tip on how to really get started in managing your finances and your wealth.
Yeah. So I would say start inventorying what you have, kind of just start.
Mhm.
Um, and, get a partner or a personal CFO, or if you're helping your parents, partner with your parents if you're doing this for them. Get some resources like the or life organizer or something to really start tackling it. Because if it's stressing you out, it's not, that stress isn't going to go away if you don't start somewhere.